Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. I completely forgot what I'm supposed to say. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my videos. I don't know. I haven't uploaded in a long time. But yes, today we are playing Battle Cat. Indeed. So, Battle Cat. I didn't do any videos on this game. I already have a ton of cats. Indeed, I have fighting pit, and yes, I have Asaluga. So, I was actually doing like a fake recording. By that I mean like I'm talking to the screen, but the recording isn't even on. So today, we're gonna be playing Battle Cats. And yes, I am saving my rare tickets. If you're wondering why, I really want more Nicoluga. I hope you guys don't get confused with the monster Nicoluga. Just gonna switch it up here. Yes, I was playing my singing monsters. And yes, indeed, I didn't even know how to goddamn it draw a cat capsule. I haven't played this game in like 2 to 3 years, okay? Nicolugas. Okay, so here, Tales of the Nicoluga. Let's just check this one out. Okay, you see? Wait, who is Nicoluga? Who's Kubiluga and who's Nicoluga? Okay, this guy over here beside Balalan Baslan. You know that's Balalan Baslan. Because of the he has no cat ears, he only has magical things, and look at that round bald head. That you can tell is Balalan Paslan. Beside him is Kubilan Paslan. Beside Kubilan Paslan is Nobiluga. Beside Nobiluga is this guy, which is what's his name again? Oh yeah, Toyland Paslan, I'm pretty sure. And then that's Paslan Paslan. So who's this guy? That's Asaluga. But who are these two guys? I'm just gonna check. Oh, okay, guy with super short neck. This is Nobiluga right here. So this must be who again? Oh no, I'm just checking. I really don't care. His name, oh yes, Ticoluga. How could I forget? I completely forgot that Ticoluga, he doesn't have his arms and legs out like this guy. This guy has his arms down, but he has a beard, so you know that's Papalan. Togeland, you can tell by his spikes. There's Nobiland because of his curly thingies. This Goobland because of long necks. And this is Balalan Baslan because he has a bald head. Yeah. Yes. So what I really want is Tessalan Paslan, so Tigoluga, and where's that? And Toiluga. That's Togelan Paslan. But I only got to have Aslan Paslan. I want more Nicolugas. I don't really want Balalan Paslan, and when I say that, I'm probably gonna get it. Okay, I don't want. I want Ticoluga and Togiluga. You can tell that I don't really want Balalan Paslan or Kubilan Paslan, even though Kubilan Paslan is my favorite. So Kubilan Paslan only does 68 DPS. I don't know how many damage that is. Balalan does 14 to 15 DPS. Yeah. So my favorites are Weak Boy. By that I mean, so my favorites are guy who can barely hit a fly, and guy who can destroy the world. So Togeland Paslan is actually the strongest. I like how massive damage at long range. There's always one leader, and it's a she. Since when? That's a boy. Yes. Togeland Pastland is indeed a boy. I don't know why, but I searched Tales of Nikaluga and it showed me. I searched Togeland Pastland and it said that Togeland Pastland is indeed a male. So. Who survives? A Lula with massive damage at long range who survives one lethal attack and gets stronger as he takes damage. Smashes the groups of enemies at a distance with long range area attack. I'm gonna do something, so I'm gonna come back here later. So I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna just merge them together, so I will do that.